Welcome to Cloud Studio videos, short DevOps, cloud and AWS tutorials. In this video I will start with the EC2 service in AWS. So I want to show you how you can easily build a new server in AWS using the EC2. So uh, so we are going to start immediately. So I'm logging to the AWS account with my admin user, and I will open the EC2 service. And in EC2 service I will click on the launch instance button, and I will start with the wizard. So first I will give the name new server 01, and I will choose the Amazon Linux image for the operating system, and then I will choose the T3 micro instance type, and then I will take my key pair so that I can SSH to the server using this key. If you don't have a key, you need to create a key and then choose it from your drop-down menu. And in the network settings, I choose default VPC, but for the firewall, I will choose my existing security group, which is a web server. And then for the storage, I will choose default, and I will not change anything in advanced details. So basically, this is all settings that I want to for my server, and then I will click on the launch instance. And this is how fast it is to create a new server in AWS account. So we already have the public IP and the private IP. We already can connect to the server and start to configure it. And that's it. This is the way how you should install your first Linux server in AWS. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel and like the video, and yeah, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more DevOps tutorials. See you in the next video.